Hey guys, Lane Morgan here, owner of Renown Cargo Trailers, and I've got a beautiful 8.5 by 24 two-tone concession trailer that we're going to be showing you guys today. This thing is built right and tight. If you notice right here on the front, we've got a generator platform. This is where they're going to put their generator. We've got your 100-pound propane tank right here, guys. This is your motor base plug where you plug in your lifeline cord, and then that will plug into either your shoreline power or your generator, depending on which one you're using. It's a beautiful color, man. Electric Green Polycore, two-tone with blue in the back, and then it's got your blackout package on it. Might be wondering what's in this door right here. So this door right here has a bathroom in it. So it's got your bathroom, got your vanity, your hand wash sink, base cabinet, toilet, your LED light in the ceiling, and then also your exhaust fan up there as well. If you look right here, just like on campers, you've got dump valves. That is your dump valve for your bathroom, and this is your gray water tank for your sinks on the inside. We'll go check them out in a little bit. But if you notice how flat and smooth this Polycore lays, it's 080 material, so it's very thick. It's an 080 gauge. We did it semi-screwless. That means we screw it in the seams and then we glue it down in the middle. But guys, you can see how solid that is. That's not like your typical aluminum trailer. We've got spread torsion axles on this trailer, 5,200-pound axles, and then we threw some nice brand new alloy wheels on it just to make it pop. So right here, these are your two water hookups. This goes to the bathroom, this goes to your sink, but it fills up your fresh water tanks. Right here is your concession door and window. Pops up just like that with gas shocks. You've got your fold-out 12-inch tray right here. This is great for putting like ketchup or condiments, or when you're handing people food out of the trailer, you can set their food down while they're reaching in their pockets to be able to pay you for the food. And then you simply close it by hitting two little switches and it folds down in place just like that. I'm gonna leave the door open right now. We've also got LED light right here so you can operate 24/7. If you're operating at nighttime, all you do is simply hit a switch and then you've got some light to work with. We've got double LED brake lights. We've also got a light up here next to the door to give you some light if you're working at night again. We've got an RV pull-out step right there to help you get in and out of the trailer easily. You come inside, guys. We're going to start up here at the front. We've got your hand wash sink, your three deep bowl sink with drain boards. Right here we've got a 18-inch base cabinet. This works good for either prepping or putting a cash register on. This is a 4x8 concession door and window, and simply just lock that up in place, open the window. It's got a screen on it as well, so you can pull the screens up, hand your food out, easy peasy, just like that, guys. But right here we've got a 4-eye burner combo set with your conventional oven right there. So an oven with a 4-eye burner. We've got your hood vent right here. You notice our hood vent hangs out at least 6 inches outside on both sides of the equipment, so it'll pass code wherever you're at. We've got two 40-pound fryers right here with 2 baskets in each fryer. And then we've got your refrigerator here, commercial size fridge and freezer. The inside is finished, guys, in white metal on the inside and the walls. The trailer's insulated. We've got rubber floors, plenty of receptacles. We've got a 15,000 BTU air conditioner right here, guys, and it has a fire suppression system in it. You've got to have fire suppression when you install a hood vent. But guys, this one's ready to go. If you're interested in a concession trailer or any kind of option trailer, we love building heavy option trailers at Renown Cargo. Y'all give us a call at 888-287-3954. You can find us online at renowncargotrailers.com. And guys, we just look forward to the opportunity to meet you soon, earning your business, and helping you build the trailer of your dreams. y'all give us a call. We look forward to talking to you soon. Until then, y'all know the rest. Be blessed.